Okay, today jumping from GTX 1070 graphic to RTX 3070. The plan was simple, to change the graphic from the one to another without changing the power supply, because I was more than sure that I have 650 watts on the board. Now you are watching how it's looking without my old graphic card. Like you see, it's small, it's very good because don't take too much energy and make good airflow. I was thinking about 3060 RTX too, but it was too little difference between my card that you're seeing now. And when I know that I could check other one, I choose this one. Here's some small comparison between my oldest one and new one. Both used. Like you see, prices is not too high because they are used, but thermal paste was changed, everything worked correctly, and I know how to test it, so there is no problem for me to check if it will be working or not, because I can give it back. So after plugging, you can see perfect or not, that cables don't look good, but it works on that my power supply. And you see that leg downside to this graphic card. I don't think it's necessary because that card is really light. So time to see how it's working. And everything was working nice. Everything was looking good. I start to do some performance tests in 3D Mark, and it was good too. Mm, I see this is twice or more better than my previous one. Overall test. I make CPU, GPU, and everything work on 100%. And by OCCT and Linux, I make that. But first problem, one shutdown. And second problem, second shutdown. And I was thinking I had a problem, but I didn't give up. So let's go. I started looking for the cause of the problem, and one of the most important test was the stability test with playing with low graphic load game that power supply can handle. After making sure there's not graphic fault, I changed power supply, and that made the job because my previous one was 500 watts. I was sure that I have 650 watts until I unplug it in that device, and I saw it by myself. That's why you see open boxing. Of course, it's bought by my own money, and you can see now some information about it. You can pause it if you want to read it correctly, everything. But I must say, for me, it's most important that it's new. It's have good technology, good power, and comments in internet was really nice about it. Other thing that I saw after tests and some other using of it, it's really silent in my opinion, and it takes less power than my previous one. So it's something new for me when I see 20 or 30 watts less consumption. And I must say I'm curious about that 10 years warranty too. But to be honest, usually when you see that kind of warranty, that company must be sure about their product that is good and should work that long. My biggest problem with choosing power supply was to choose 850 or 1000 watts, but on the end I choose that one that is less problem for my wallet. And to be honest, I don't think I will buy soon some powerful watt consuming graphic card, so it's enough. You can see cables, they can be easy damaged, but what can I say? I do many operation on them, so maybe it's my fault, but on the comments I saw that other people have the same problem. And here is a final view. I put two separate cables. Usually I can put one because it handle it. I read it about it, but it's better way to separate power. And after 1 hour of testing, you can see everything is working great. That operation was successful, and I'm even happy that I changed it power supply because it was needed to change it. Thank you for staying with me. Please subscribe and like it. And on the end, I must say it, I'm proud of myself and I'm happy that I made this change. Bye.